Hello, everyone. Today you will speak real English. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's start. Listen. I wake up early. Repeat. I wake up early. Speak. I wake up early. Listen. I eat breakfast every day. Repeat. I eat breakfast every day. Speak. I eat breakfast every day. Listen. I take a shower in the morning. Repeat. I take a shower in the morning. Speak. I take a shower in the morning. Listen. I drink water every day. Repeat. I drink water every day. Speak. I drink water every day. Listen. I go to school in the morning. Repeat. I go to school in the morning. Speak. I go to school in the morning. Listen. I study English at home. Repeat. I study English at home. Speak. I study English at home. Listen. I play football with my friends. Repeat. I play football with my friends. Speak. I play football with my friends. Listen. I watch TV in the evening. Repeat. I watch TV in the evening. Speak. I watch TV in the evening. Listen. I do my homework after school. Repeat. I do my homework after school. Speak. I do my homework after school. Listen. I go to bed at night. Repeat. I go to bed at night. Speak. I go to bed at night. For new episodes, you can like the video and subscribe to our channel. If the video is helpful, please write a comment.